Hey Hassan, I really want to thank you for all the service you've been providing us with Podio and the setup and the implementation. I know it's been a lot of changes and tweaks we've been doing, but it's working for us good. The follow-ups are coming into the email nicely, so we're able to see that quickly. The automation's working well. Still some minor stuff going on, but we're going to talk to you about that in the next few weeks. But I just want to make this video saying thank you. And hopefully the references I'm bringing you brings you some value. You don't have to give me any money off those things. I know we talked about a partnership. Maybe in the future we can talk about that. But so far, you just make your money on the references that are coming your way. And if I potentially in the future want to partner up with you, we can discuss that as well. But in the next few weeks, we're going to be coming back to you with small changes and stuff. And if you can work with us, I'd really, really appreciate it.